Yo, yo, yo! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free units and lattice in Marvel Rivals, guys. So this actually works. It's super cool. So basically, there's a website called zestcoupons.com. So just go to this website and there's a search bar at the top and just type in Marvel Rivals. You'll see right here it says get code. To press this, you can actually get a working code for Marvel Rivals to get free units and lattice. So press show coupon code, wait for it to load up, and then once it loads, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code, and then it's going to bring us over here to this page where we need to enter our email address, because obviously they're going to send the code to our email. So make sure you go ahead and put that in and you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later, but I do want to tell you that after you enter your email address, right, there's going to be a couple more steps. Okay, so the first thing is you're gonna have to fill out your information. So this is a very important step. And then you'll have to do a deal. So you can see it says complete one deal to continue, and it's like this Monopoly Go where you got to reach board level 10. So you do this, and then it will work, and you'll get your free units and lattice. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super insane. But yeah, just make sure you fill this out. They're not sending you anything physical, so it's fine. But yeah, it's super cool, and it actually works, guys. So yeah, all you gotta do is just like enter your email address right here on this page. I'm not gonna show you guys my email in this video, but then press continue, and then you'll get your free Marvel Rivals units and lattice. They'll send you an email. You just gotta fill this out, guys. You're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's just super awesome, and it fully works, guys. Just make sure you do the deals thing. Very important step. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it totally works.